4 फेब्रुवारी गोंयांत वेंचणुको जावपाच्यो आसात आनी ह्याच दिसांनी 10वेच्यो प्रिलिम्स जातल्यो. मात वेंचणुकाच्या तारखेचो प्रिलिम्साचेर कसलोच परिणाम जावचो ना. फक्त प्रॅक्टिकल्स फुडें व्हरतले आनी ताचे विशीं सगळ्या स्कुलांक नवो परिक्षांचो वेळ धाडटले अशी माहिती शिक्षण सचिव शिवकुमार जंगम हांणी दिल्या. हे विशीं राज्य वेंचणूक अधिकारी नारायण नावती हांकां विचारले तेन्ना जर प्रिलिम्स आनी वेंचणुकांच्यो तारखो एका वेळार येतात जाल्यार भारतीय वेंचणूक आयोगाक सुचोवणी दिवन स्कुलांक प्रिलिम्स फुडें व्हरपाचो आदेश दितले अशें तांणी सांगलां. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस आनी सुशील शुक्ला.
Goa board has nothing to do with the prelims. The election commission had asked us for the dates, the theory dates and the practical dates, and we had given them. The theory 12th was starting at 1st of March, and SSC 1st of April, and practical was starting on 8th. So the election commission has avoided all those dates and fixed the elections accordingly. The prelims, we don't have anything to do with prelims. The election commission has taken care that there is no clash with the board exams.
Since EC has announced election date on 4th February, the practical exams 2-3 days around that date will be postponed. And remaining, so far we have not sent the timetable to schools because of the date. Now we will rearrange the timetable and we'll send it to schools. Actually, SSC starts little early, but that we will adjust.
Okay, so the prelims and the election thing will not clash?
No, prelims we don't see, only practical, board practical exam of 10th and 12th will be adjusting according to the date.
See, before declaring elections, everything is taken into consideration and thereafter elections are declared by the Commission. This fact was not brought to our notice either by Education Department or by Goa Board. Now there is only one remedy. If at all somebody brings this to our notice, we will ask the board or we will ask the educational institution to restructure their examination so that date of election and date of prelim does not clash. Let some educational institution bring it to our notice that prelims are clashing with election dates. Because see, once elections are declared, election cannot be either preponed or postponed. There is only one remedy, is only to prepone or postpone prelims, and that we will instruct election commission, and that we will bring it to the notice of the election commission, and then accordingly we will instruct to the educational institutions and education department that they may restructure the dates of examination.